Hi and welcome to First Internet and Wi-Fi. If you've ever felt confused about how to get the best internet and Wi-Fi solution, you're definitely not alone. In this video, we share insights from NBN, Australia's national broadband network, and highlight the steps to make your decision easy. In recent research conducted by NBN, they found that up to 95% of people didn't realize their in-home Wi-Fi setup could impact their internet experience. And most people think that once your modem router or that Wi-Fi thingy with the flashing lights is plugged in, that's it, nothing more, set and forget. But over time, more devices get added, like streaming TVs, laptops, tablets, mobile phones, security cameras and doorbells. Gosh, even air conditioners, solar and irrigation systems. And the list goes on and on. Now, add furniture getting moved, walls getting in the way, and your Wi-Fi signal weakens and its performance drops off in rooms and outdoors. And when it doesn't work well, most people don't know where to start. The tech talk is confusing. There are puzzling terms with mixed messages. And let's be honest, it can all feel a bit much. Many people also assume that when they sign up for an internet plan, they're getting everything they need. But actually, that's just the beginning. Your Wi-Fi setup, where you place your modem router or that Wi-Fi thingy, and whether it has been sized correctly for your premises, plays a huge role in your future internet experience. And here's the thing, NBN's research also showed up to 42% of households haven't updated their Wi-Fi setup in over 5 years. So this old Wi-Fi technology is going to lead to internet performance issues, frustration, and definitely not support the advancements in NBN's network now and in the future. At First Internet and Wi-Fi, we're here to make all of this simple, no jargon, no guesswork, just clear steps to get your internet working from beyond your front door to your backyard or office location. And here's something to highlight. Just hunting for the cheapest broadband deal might save you a few bucks up front, but it can land you in strife later. Laggy video calls, Wi-Fi dead zones, poor gaming, frustration for the whole family, and you won't be popular. Furthermore, technology is improving, and NBN are constantly looking at ways to deliver a better experience. So one must make sure their investment is future compatible. Don't worry, as our recommendations will definitely support you here. Based on NBN's recommendations, we'll help you choose not just a plan, but a solution that works for your home, your business, your lifestyle and budget. Great internet isn't just about speed, it's about coverage, consistency and confidence. So whether you and the family are gaming, streaming, working from home, on video or mobile Wi-Fi calls, browsing in the backyard, at the office, or all of the above, we're here to help you every step of the way. So follow the steps across our website from 1. Check your address, 2. Choose a monthly plan, and 3. Select a Wi-Fi modem router. And let's get you connected the right way.